Hello students, in this session we will be learning new words of our next chapter, that is chapter 2, Alice Adventure. This video is to introduce you all with the new words or new vocabularies which you will be learning in this chapter. In order to ease your understanding of the chapter, it is requested to go through these new words once. The very first word is adventure. Adventure means an exciting experience. Dear students, whenever you do any sort of activity or go through any event which makes you happy and which excites you and also challenges you at the same time, then we call it as adventure. You must have experienced some school camps wherein you had adventure by performing various challenging activities. Second word is wondered. Wondered means desired to know something. It means when you are in a thinking process, like you want to know about something, then we call it that you are wondering about that. Third is hole. Hole is a hollow space. As you can see in the picture given. In this picture, the rabbit is entering his hole. The next word is afraid. Afraid means when you are frightened, when you have fear of doing something, then we call it afraid. For example, I am afraid of going out at night. That means you are frightened. Okay? That means that you have fear of facing that situation. We call it afraid. Opening means beginning of something. For example, opening of a water bottle, opening of a cave, or you can see in the picture given, there is opening of this big hole, the hole of the rabbit. The next word is tonight. Tonight means night of the present day. For example, kids, if I am talking about today's night, I will say tonight. If I want to say that today night I will be sleeping early, that means tonight I will be sleeping early. Next word is hall. Hall is a very large room which is very spacious. You must have seen in the religious places, for example, mosque, temples, gurudwaras, the deities are placed in a very big hall, right? So, it is basically a very large room which is very spacious. Now, here are some words which are from your chapter and you all have to make sentences from the given words. The very first word is adventure, second, rabbit, third, hall, fourth, hole, fifth, table. Dear students, this is your home assignment. You have to do these sentences in a spare notebook or on a loose sheet. Frame sentences on your own. Please do not copy the sentences from the chapter. You may refer the meaning of the given words from the previous slide. Thank you.